Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add card to Apple Pay on iPhone. If you're trying to add a credit or debit card to Apple Pay but keep getting an error, here's how you can solve it. To get started, firstly you need to open your settings app. So from here you need to scroll a bit down until you find the general and then select general. And from the general here you need to scroll a bit down again until you find this language and region and confirm that. So over here, what you need to do is you need to confirm that your country or region is set correctly. You can also verify the card you're trying to add supports the Apple Pay. Or if you want to change the region, you can simply select the region as well. And you can select the region in which Apple Pay supports it. And you can also update the software. What you need to do is you need to go back again, scroll a bit down, and select the software update in the top. And you need to find any available updates. And if the card still won't add, you need to restart your iPhone and try again. And that is it. That's how you can fix the cannot add card issue in Apple Pay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.